Creating a masterpiece of Bordeaux is a labor of immense love and science.
Welcome to our estate. Today, I will show you how world-class Bordeaux wine is made, from the careful harvest to the final perfected bottle.
Today, we are taking you on a comprehensive 15-minute journey. It all begins in the vineyard, where the grapes reach perfect maturity. Premium Bordeaux estates often rely on careful hand harvesting. Only the healthiest, most perfectly ripe clusters are selected. For larger plots, advanced mechanical harvesters are employed. The harvested grapes are immediately transported to the crush pad. Upon arrival, the grapes undergo a rigorous first sorting.
Skilled workers remove any debris or imperfect berries.
Next, modern optical sorters use lasers to inspect each individual berry. Defective grapes are instantly rejected by precision air jets. Only the purest fruit continues to the destemming machine. The destemmer gently separates the berries without crushing the seeds. The bitter stems are discarded to ensure a smooth, elegant wine. The clean berries are now ready for the crushing process. A gentle crush breaks the skins, releasing the fresh grape juice. This mixture of juice and skins is called the must. The must is pumped directly into state-of-the-art fermentation vats. Precision temperature control is vital for the next phase. Here, the must will undergo a cold soak to extract deep colors. The skins steep in the juice, creating the rich red color. Expert winemakers select specific yeast strains to start fermentation. The yeast is introduced to the must to begin the magical transformation. Fermentation begins as the yeast consumes the natural grape sugars. This process converts the sugar into alcohol and carbon dioxide. To extract maximum flavor, the wine undergoes a process called pump-over. Wine is taken from the bottom and gently showered over the floating skins. This keeps the skins moist and extracts crucial tannins and aromas. Alternatively, automated punchdowns physically push the skins into the juice. The entire process is monitored 24/7 from a high-tech control center. Daily tastings ensure the fermentation is progressing perfectly. They monitor the development of complex aromas and sugar depletion.
After several weeks, primary fermentation is complete.
The high-quality free-run wine is drained off first. The remaining solid skins still contain valuable, highly concentrated wine. These skins are transferred to a gentle pneumatic press. The press uses a soft balloon to gently squeeze the skins.
This yields the press wine, which is rich in structure and tannins. The free-run and press wines are kept separate for the time being. The young wine undergoes a preliminary filtration to remove large solids. The temperature is adjusted to encourage malolactic fermentation. Naturally occurring bacteria convert harsh malic acid into softer lactic acid.
Laboratory analysis confirms the wine is stable and smooth.
Now, the wine is ready for its most important transformation. The wine descends into the dark, climate-controlled barrel cellars.
Bordeaux wines are traditionally aged in 225-liter French oak barrels.
The toasted wood begins to impart flavors of vanilla, spice, and cedar.
These barrels breathe, allowing minute amounts of oxygen to soften the tannins.
Because some wine evaporates, barrels must be regularly topped up.
This prevents too much oxygen from spoiling the precious wine.
Every few months, the wine undergoes racking to clarify it.
The clear wine is transferred, leaving the heavy sediment at the bottom.
After months of aging, the crucial blending process, or assemblage, begins.
The master blender carefully combines different grape varieties and vineyard plots.
Merlot, Cabernet Sauvignon, and Cabernet Franc are balanced perfectly.
They seek the ultimate harmony, complexity, and expression of the estate.
Once the perfect recipe is finalized, it is scaled up for production. The selected barrels are pumped into massive vats to be unified.
Gentle stirring ensures the final blend is perfectly homogeneous.
A traditional fining process using egg whites is often employed.
The egg whites bind to harsh tannins and microscopic particles. They slowly pull the impurities to the bottom, clarifying the wine. A final racking separates the crystal clear wine from the fining agents. A final, sterile microfiltration ensures complete stability.
This guarantees the wine will age gracefully in the bottle for decades.
The wine now rests, harmonizing before the bottling process.
The bottling facility is sterilized to pharmaceutical standards. Pallets of premium, dark green glass bottles are loaded onto the line. Each bottle is flushed with inert gas to remove any oxygen. Precision nozzles fill the bottles to the exact millimeter.
The masterpiece is finally sealed inside its glass vessel.
The filling line operates at incredible speed and precision. High-grade natural corks are selected for their perfect seal and aging potential. A specialized machine compresses the cork and drives it into the bottle in a fraction of a second. A vacuum is drawn to ensure a perfect, airtight seal. Elegant foil capsules are dropped over the neck to protect the cork.
Spinning rollers crimp the foil tightly, giving it a flawless finish.
The bottles enter the high-speed rotary labeling machine. Precision applicators coat the labels with permanent adhesive.
The iconic Chateau label is applied with millimeter-perfect accuracy.
Back labels detailing the vintage and legal requirements are added.
The completed bottle is a symbol of centuries of tradition meeting modern technology.
A laser etches a unique traceability code onto the glass. Advanced robotics take over for the final packaging. Bordeaux wines are traditionally packaged in flat wooden crates. Careful packaging ensures the bottles are protected during global transit.
The wooden lid is placed, securing the precious cargo.
The estate's seal is proudly branded into the wood.
These crates are now ready to be aged further or shipped worldwide. Pallets are tightly wrapped to ensure absolute stability.
Every pallet is logged into the global distribution network.
Autonomous vehicles transport the wine to the climate-controlled staging area.
Throughout the process, rigorous quality control is maintained.
Randomly selected bottles undergo extreme stress tests.
Sensors check for any micro-oxygenation flaws.
X-ray scanners ensure there are no glass imperfections or foreign objects. Only bottles that pass with 100% perfection are cleared for sale.
Many estates hold their bottles in perfect cellar conditions for years. Temperature and humidity remain perfectly constant.
When orders arrive from global merchants, the shipping process begins.
The wine is loaded into refrigerated containers for global export. Security seals guarantee authenticity upon arrival.
From this historic estate, the wine begins its journey across the globe.
A perfect blend of centuries-old tradition and modern efficiency.
Creating a masterpiece of Bordeaux is a labor of immense love and science.
We hope you enjoyed this journey, from the vine to the bottle.
Thank you for visiting our factory and vineyards.
If you found this fascinating, please like and subscribe for more behind-the-scenes tours.
See you next time inside the Modern Factory.